Hello, everyone. Thank you for watching this uh, demo. What we are going to demonstrate here is a voice user interface for our digital claim or FNL process. So currently in the market, as our presentation says, that currently in the market we don't have anything like that. We are trying our best to demo a very small piece of it, but we'll also explain how scalable this application is and how um, interesting it looks like when a user just talk what happened and then it able to, you know, create a claim. So I have used this dialog flow, which is from the Google. It's a cloud-based application, and also any smart speaker can be used. For example, if you see the integrations, we can also use Alexa, Amazon Alexa. So you create your agent and you can talk to your Amazon Alexa as well. So anything can be done. What I mean is smart speakers. Okay. Amazon Alexa has its own SDK. We can develop that way, or Dialogflow its own SDK. We can develop that way. So anything. So the whole idea here is, the API what we are creating can be used from any of the smart speaker, right? That's the whole idea, right? So that our application will be scalable and go with any of the underlying applications, right? For example, currently in the demo purpose, we have used Claim Center, which is Guidewire Claim Center, which is going to process our claim. But having saying that, it's a Guidewire, but what I'm saying is so scalable that, even though any other claim system you want to use, you just use the API. So this is like highly scalable thing what we are trying to demonstrate here, and this is the future, right? When we talk about the voice, because Alexa, Google Home, everything is in the play in the market, right? It's capturing the market. So it's a good idea to do that. Let me start what we have done so far. So, any voice interface, we need intents. So we have the intents, and we have created something called claim process intent. So if you go to the claim process intent, we have several kind of information here where you can do, you know, the interaction with the user, right? What is the context? What is my car glass is broken? Start my claim process. Like water in my basement, right? Create claim, simple. I want to do a create claim. So those kind of intent. What is our intents are? So it has some follow-up intents. What answer you are giving? So I'm going to intents are currently going to be very limited for this demo. We are not implemented each and every intent because this is eventually going to come out as our AI based or the machine learning, right? So uh, all these intents are based, go by the fulfillments. So once you see your fulfillment, we have the handling and the web service calls, which has been done. So these are whatever the service call you're saying is like, external calls. You have to make sure that your Firebase is, in the upgraded mode, which is definitely a paid, but it is free for a year. So we are trying to use that. So, and it is going to respond to the agent what happens with your claim. So let's start looking to how it is going to function. So this demo is not including any kind of device right now, but it is going to simulate all the speeches. Okay, so whatever we talk, whatever we do is going to demonstrate here. It's a simulator here. So right now, I'm going to say that, my car glass is broken. So now it says my car glass is broken. That intent I have talked about. Now it says, that's sad, Ray. The person, name of the person who has this device with them. That's okay. And you have policy from ABC Insurance. So we can also do output audio, what we have done. So for example, if I just play it. So now when you say do you have to create a claim with a question, right? So I want to say yes, for example. So I have to just record it. Say yes. So once I say yes, then say, hey, Ray Newton, as a claimant, claim is created and your claim number is this. Awesome, right? So this is what we need. So okay, so let's talk about the audio, right? Great. So now the claim is created, and we want to just see, what happened behind the scenes. So what I will do is I'll go to Firebase quickly and see my logs and see my incoming message. So I'll just go to the incoming message. I'll just try to do, everything. Uh, Let it load. Okay, the incoming message. Then I will go and see my service call has been done and my REST call has been made to get the claim numbers, right? So this concludes, your interaction. But what happened? Like, let's see whether the claim has been created in Claim Center. So now this is my Claim Center. I'll say SUGW is my Claim Center application. I'll go and search and I'll say claim. Simple search. I want to provide you the claim number. I don't know whether it is sticking. Okay, something wrong. Anyway, it says search. The claim number is here. Ray Newton claim number is here. Now, I just want to a little bit talk about this here, like status, um, the loss details, right? So when we talk about the loss details, general, so the collision with the turning left. So this information can be passed from the user. Currently, we have just hard coded just for the demo purpose, but this information can be passed from the user voice interface. So we have to just add the parameter to our REST service call. The service call is going to be a little complex. It will keep growing like what all data we are passing. So we can make an interaction call. What all things has went wrong or something like that. So this is um, concluding the creating of the claim using VUI, which is Voice User Interface, and it is scalable to any application. Thanks for watching the demo. Thank you.